Now, if we want to, get a little more advanced, if we want to, start creating a little more, what you can do is you can actually start asking it coding questions, because coding is a pretty, you could say, difficult part of front end and back end programming. So let's go ahead and ask it some coding questions. So let's start off with I want you to write me a program in C++ about a, let's say, Fibonacci sequence. Let's go ahead and ask it that. And we're going to search that in. And you're going to see that it actually gives you spot on coding. It's going to give you the proper program in C++. It's going to use the header files, namespace, and it uses the correct variables with actual comments explaining to you what line does what. So that's the incredible part about it. And then later on, it actually explains the code to you. So here we can see Fibonacci iterative takes an integer as input representing the number of terms, then, it just keeps on explaining, which is the best part about it. Like if you can add this in ChatGPT and it's never going to explain the code to you, you're going to have to ask it to explain the code. And even then, it's not going to explain the best. This explanation is on point. Like you can literally pause the video if there's any programmers watching this, and you're going to understand this pretty well. So, this is getting a little more in depth of it.